Welcome to the British School YouTube channel for free courses, free lessons, free masterclasses, free conferences, and many others of Cambridge level exams. British School experts and examiners will support you to get a higher band score or your required band score of all Cambridge level exams, including Ielts. Right now we are going to analyze and explore, make out the Task 1 Ielts writing, and we will give you some detailed explanation. But if you need the material and even PPT presentation for yourself, you just reach us via email, and British School experts will support you and feedback you during 24 hours. So do not hesitate to contact us. So our main challenge is today IELTS writing task 1. So let's get started actually. This is actually brief information for students and instructors as well, and even who would like to become a coach. So it's the correct path, and it will display you and even give you some direction how to teach your students. So here it is, IELTS academic writing, and this is overview. You have word counts of 150 minutes, and you have just 20 minutes for writing task 1. So you need to describe visual information, bar charts, bar graphs, tables, maps, diagrams, process. So here it is. In the academic part of the IELTS test, you will have to do one of the following things: line graph, bar graph, column graph. Even you can even name this column graph, bar chart, pie chart. Let's go to the table, and process or cycle, and even diagram, then a map. So here it is: process, cycle, and diagram. So you can actually no need to repeat just a diagram. You can just write down like a process, cycle, and diagram, and it will be actually more benefits for that. So you'll have 20 minutes, as I told you, and you must demonstrate actually a variety of language in the exam. You cannot write the table shows. No. The table gives information about, provides information about, compares, illustrates. You can see from our extracts as well. And so let's go to the next one. Here it is. You can see the table and of vocabulary for the introduction part, and let's go to the next one. Here it is. Very interesting things for overview. You know that you need to write 4 paragraphs. First is introduction. You need to paraphrase all the words except for dates and names and even country names as well. So here it is. This part of the introduction must answer the following questions: what type of graph are we describing? You need to paraphrase. What is the information about? How is this information measured? So as I've already explained you from our previous lessons, you need to write units are measured in millions of pounds, and maybe meters, kilograms, and etc. So here it is, definition for some complicated words, and if this is, let me show you, yes, if this is actually your arrow is up, so there was a sharp rise. You can say, you can write down, there was an abrupt increase, there was a rapid growth, there was a dramatic rise, there was a significant increase, there was a considerable growth. And if it will be just down, you can say there was a slight rise, there was a gentle increase, there was a gradual growth, there was a steady rise, there was a modest increase, there was a marginal growth. And so here it is, we do have strong and weak. So strong is, it is dramatically, something drastically. And weak is something very minimally, slightly. So it can be there was a sharp fall, there was an abrupt decrease, a rapid decline, a dramatic dip, and a slight fall, a gentle decrease, a gradual decline, a steady dip. And so if you have just no change, so a leveling out, there was a leveling out, there was no change, there was a period of stability. So if a fluctuation, you know how it is, so have some fluctuations, oscillation, a period of volatility. Actually, I would like to give you some very amazing introduction. Here it is. We do have some title. The graph below shows global energy demand to 2030 by fuel. And so here it is, introduction. The line graph provides data about the worldwide energy, right, requirement by fuel. Then we need to open the brackets. They are very essential in our IELTS writing task 1, because your examiner, from the visual information of introduction, will actually give you the first mark from your introduction if the examiner will see your brackets, and but in proper way. Here it is fuel, but you need to count which fuel: oil, coal, gas, nuclear, hydro, and other renewables over a period of 6 variegated decades. Once again, brackets, you need to open and brackets and close, so 1970 and blah blah blah, and 2030 respectively. So after that, the units are measured in millions of tons of equivalent. So regarding overview, British School team experts will give you the chance to follow our YouTube channel for free courses, and please stay in tuned, and you will see updated information and even the overview of this very amazing IELTS writing task 1. So actually British School provides free evaluation of IELTS writing task 1 and IELTS writing task 2 essays, and even you can join to our IELTS speaking mock exam. You just get in touch with us via email, and with the British School approach you will get your desired score, and our target is 9 band score of all IELTS components. So, well, that's all for this lesson.